Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating and unlocking the vehicle dock blueprint. You actively scan RECs, data boxes, and life pods, prioritize areas with high REC density. Once you find fragments, scan them immediately so the PDA registers the blueprint. This tells you exactly what materials you need. Make sure you have basic survival gear and a scanner to speed the process. After unlocking, check the blueprint entry for the construction, prerequisites, and inventory, the parts you still need, before moving to crafting. Now gather the materials shown in the blueprint and prepare a proper work area. You should collect metals, electronic components, and any specialized parts the blueprint lists. This minimizes back and forth trips. Once done, place a fabricator in your base or use a mobile vehicle bay so you can craft without swimming to the surface repeatedly. Make sure to keep the items in a nearby locker. It speeds assembly and reduces inventory juggling. Finally, verify power availability and structural clearance before starting construction. You now build and install the vehicle dock. Craft the module at your fabricator or mobile vehicle bay, then carry or transfer it into the vehicle or base slot designated for docking. Once installed, test docking by bringing a seamoth or prawn close and engaging the dock. The game confirms a successful lock. If it doesn't attach, make sure power is adequate, the dock orientation and clearance are correct, and no collision geometry blocks placement. If problems persist, reload the area or re-equip the dock to reset placement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.